Hey guys, welcome back to Bite the Book. Today we're going to go through August 26th. We're going to look at some of the trades I did. I overtraded today. Made a huge dent in my account, but hey, that's life. All we could do is continue and, just get through this drawdown and do the same thing. Well, not same thing tomorrow, but reduce some mistakes for tomorrow. And excuse me, and lower lot size or contract size. So as always, we're going to start from the hourly and then just plot our way down. So basically, got a nice little resistance up here. Happy. And a nice little one down here that was created, kinda. So now we'll go down to our 30-minute. See if we can make this look any better. I think I like over here better. Yeah, 30-minute. Because like we wouldn't really see this stuff, right, going into the session until it actually happens, right? I can tell you, like, I had buys over here, right, and I got stopped out. But anyway, let's move to the 15. See what else there is. Oh, there's a nice little bend over here. Let's adjust this a bit just to line up with everything better. And then we'll get another one just under here because it's lining up very nicely. That was pre-markets, right? This was at around 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. Chicago time. Anyway, what else is there? I think that's about it. Let's move to the 5-minute, see what else. The 5-minute just, shows the structure a lot better. A lot of bends over here. Okay. So, let's just talk about the positions that I did. So my first position was before market open, which was right over here. I took some buys. I got out just over here at 28.78, 28.78, 25, 28.78. Oh wow, just up here. Right, and then what happened was over here I took buys again because I seen that little consolidation and then a put, and I was expecting a push, but that did not happen. I think the main reason it didn't happen was because we had a lot of room of stuff to the left that we had to clear before this would actually be valid. Like, for example, like when you look at this type of little consolidation and then a push, there's nothing really to the left of it, right? So I gotta make sure that I wait for when that opportunity arises. So that happened. What time is it? By that time, it's just before market open, right? This is at 9:15, and then over here I took another buy, right? Cause I expected this to hold. It didn't hold. Got stopped out. Then I took another buy, stopped out again, right? And then as soon as I got to down here, I took a few large sells at the 28.57. 28.57. 28.57. 28.57. Yeah. And then this is where everything went wrong. Like, I did see the zone, but like after this close, I expected it to continue down, right? Like we closed up at 28.58. I took this trade at 28.57. So think about that. If I actually took a buy instead, and I stuck to my risk reward on this single trade, it would have been very decent because I probably would have taken it back up to here in this area. So like, let's take a look at this 57. Look at that, that's only $1.50. 250 is right here, so it wouldn't have even touched it if I took the other direction, and then I could have gotten at least $20 move, $23 move, depending on how you look at it. As far as other positions that I could have taken, so there would have been this structure trade over here, in this area. I could have just waited for the reversal, or at least a dip down and then a retest, or the buys up here, right? Because what happens is this resistance becomes support later on, right? So we dip down, come back up to retest, the support that became resistance, come down, right? This becomes a solid support area. come up, we break that support that became resistance, and now back to support again, right? So we could have taken the trade opportunity right over here after this candle close at 11:15, or even over here after this close at 11:40, or in this area, or you could even just wait it till it got to here, right? Because again, even if you waited over here, I think this is a $2. No, that would be $2. So it'd have to be after the bearish move, which over here would be $1.50. So yeah, you have plenty of space, and that's again just $10 easy, right? If you just follow the structure of the trade. There was another opportunity on the 15-minute, I think. How does it look? 15. No. It would just been the 15. I mean the 5. Yeah, the 5 would look the most clear. Like for me, the 5, from this perspective, like without seeing all this, it looked like it was going down for me. But it just continued up because, of course, we're on our way up, right? If you look at the last day or the last few hours, right, we've broken structure, the down structure, and now we're making our way up. So what I'm expecting for tomorrow is for price to stay in this range, in this area, and then continue moving back up to the 29.36ish area. For now, I'm going to relax and just wait for the session to come. I might take an after-hour trade at 10 o'clock. It's going to be a small position, just one contract. And, excuse me, that's about it. Anyways, guys, I'm still in a buy bias for the next few days. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, risk on. Bye, guys.